hear the sound? Can you?
I hear the sound double
Where can you hear the sound?
everywhere.
Okay. Who can make the sound? Bird can make the sound.
Rain,
Uh-huh.
drum,
Drums. Can people make the sound?
people make the sound.
Okay. How people can make the sound? What can you do? What can you do?
I can clap.
Clap. What else?
I can stop.
Good.
I can speak.
Okay. What else?
I can sing.
Can you play musical instruments?
Yes.
What instruments can you play?
Xylophone.
Okay. I can play
I can play
xylophone. What else? I can play.
guitar.
I can play maracas.
I can play marimba.
Okay. Can you show me how you play? Put the pointer on the table. Show me with maracas how you play. How you play?
I say
And how you play xylophone? What do you do?
I hit.
What did you make this week?
I like colors. I like
Xylophone.
colorful.
Okay. What did you use to make xylophone?
I like water. I like color. I like color.
Can you show me how you play? Okay, good. What else did you make this week?
I make
Maracas.
the rock.
What did you use?
I like bottles. I like beans.
Show me how you play. Okay.